Hey everyone, so before I go into local inner classes, there's something I want to demonstrate. So I've got a demo class here with just one method, and as you already know, every class in Java comes from extends the object class. So even this demo class, even without me mentioning it, it is extending the Java object class. So what I can do here is something like object O equals new demo class, and that's actually valid because O is higher up in the hierarchy than demo class, so I'm allowed to do this. I can have a reference of type object hold an object of the demo class. So let's say I want to do O dot foo. That's the name of my method in demo class. So I want to do this, but when I try doing java c test.java, I'll get an error. It says cannot find symbol method foo. So the reason why this is happening is because although the object here is of type demo class and it has the foo method, because my reference is of type object, it doesn't know that there's a foo method there. So what I can do is I can typecast this to demo class and then do dot foo, and now this would work. So this works fine. It prints foo, which is what I've done here. So that's the thing. The reference needs to know that there's a method, which in this case it didn't. So it won't let us call that method. So coming to local inner classes. What local inner classes are basically they're classes inside of methods, and I talked about anonymous classes in one of the theory sessions. So what I can do here is I can have class local inner, and this can have whatever I want. I can have a public void bar, and this will just do a system.out.println um, bar, and this is perfectly all right. And now I can do local inner L equals new local inner, and then do L dot bar, and let's just compile this now and do Java test. So it prints bar. So this is what a local inner class means. And in case of anonymous classes, what happens is very interesting, and that's why I demonstrated the reference thing at the beginning. So let's say I do local inner in equals, sorry, I can't actually do local inner here. It doesn't know what that is. So I need demo class. So let's say I do demo class d equals new demo class, and then I actually define a class here, and let's say my class has a public void bar, and I just do a system.out.println. Now this is actually perfectly valid. I can do this. This compiles fine, and this will also run fine. But now what the problem is that I cannot do something like d dot bar, and the reason behind that is that d is a reference of type demo class, which does not have a bar method in it. So if I try compiling it now, it says cannot find symbol bar. So just as an object didn't know about the foo method, the example at the beginning of this video, similarly d does not know of this bar method, although it is defined here. And this is an example of an anonymous class. So these braces mark my anonymous class. And in this case, I won't even be able to typecast D because I don't know the name of this class. So so basically, in case of anonymous classes, the only thing that I can do is I can override methods. So I name this foo, and I already have a foo here, so that's overriding right there. And I call d.foo. Now what happens is I get bar printed here, which is this line right here. So that's what I want to point out. And that also kind of demonstrates the use of anonymous classes and how to make them. I'll keep this video short. I think that's all I want to point out here. And I'll see you in the next video then.